Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Just2Trade detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for Just2Trade, begin by visiting the official website. Locate the sign up or register button on the homepage. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your full name and email address. Choose a secure password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Next, provide your phone number for verification purposes. Select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Tick the checkbox to agree to these terms. Click the button to proceed to the next step. You may receive a verification email shortly after submitting your information. Check your inbox for this verification email. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Click on the verification link within the email to confirm your address. Once verified, return to the Just2Trade website to log in. Enter your email and password in the login fields. After logging in, you may need to complete a KYC process. Prepare your identification documents for uploading. Fill out any additional information requested in your profile. Submit your documents for review. Wait for confirmation of your account approval via email. Once approved, log in to your account again. You can now set up your trading preferences and funding options. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.